biggest gig of her life.
Hi, what's your name?
I'm Joanne.
So, sino naman yung pinaka-hinahangaan mong tao?
Ang nahangaan ko talaga is my dad. Kasi frustrated singer kasi talaga siya eh. And I am here para i-continue ko yung dream niya.
So, anong kakantahin mo for us?
You Were Meant For Me by Jewel.
Let's hear it. Joanne.
I hear the clock, it's 6 a.m. I feel so far away from where I've been. I got my eggs, I got my pancakes too. I got my maple syrup, everything but you. Dream lasts for so long, even until you're gone. I go about my business and I'm doing fine, but I don't wanna say if I hate you on the line. Same old story, not much to say. Hearts are broken every day.
The whole time, I was smiling. Kasi yun yung impact nung boses mo, talagang sweet. And definitely, parang marinig ko siya sa radio habang nag-drive ka, long drive.
Beautiful voice.
Thank you po.
You're carrying not just your father's dreams, but the dreams of many young people na kasing edad mo.
Thank you.
So pleasant. So pleasant. Magandang pakinggan ba, di ba? Wala yung sigawan.
Let's vote. Let's vote.
It's a very simple yes.
Thank you po.
Very easy. Yes.
Yes.
You just got 4 yeses, baby.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I wonder how to pick up her glasses.
We just want to see you without.
Okay ba siya pag walang
No,
glasses?
but I always look at the screen.
Tila nasa Cloud9 si Joanne sa naging outcome ng kanyang audition. Not as backup